Welcome, my friends. We will show you the price and specifications of the Xiaomi Redmi K70e. Powered by the Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, the device is set to deliver high performance and will be available with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. To ensure extended usage, it will house a substantial 5500 mAh battery, supporting rapid 90W fast charging. Other notable features include the HyperOS-based Android 14, an in-display fingerprint sensor for enhanced security, a glass back, and a plastic frame for durability. It is expected to be a thin device, measuring 8.09mm and a weight of 198 grams. The Redmi K70e has the 2311DRK48C model number, while the upcoming Poco F6 5GS global and Indian variants have similar model numbers, such as 2311DRK48G and 2311DRK48i, respectively. Body dimensions: 160.5 by 74.3 by 8.1mm, 6.32 by 2.93 by 0.32 in. Weight: 198G, 6.98 ounces. SIM Dual SIM, Nano SIM, Dual Standby. Display Type OLED, 68B colors, 120Hz, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 1800 nits, peak. Size: 6.67 inches, 107.4 square centimeters, 90.1% screen-to-body ratio. Resolution: 1220 by 2712 pixels, 20:9 ratio, 446 ppi density. Platform: OS Android 14, HyperOS. Chipset: MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra, 4nm. CPU: up to Core 3.35 GHz. GPU: Mali G615, MC6. Memory card slot: no. Internal: 256GB 12GB RAM, 512GB 12GB RAM, 1TB 16GB RAM. UFS 4.0. Main camera: triple 64MP, wide, 1/2 PDAF, 8MP, 120 degrees, ultra wide, 2MP, macro. Features: LED flash, HDR, panorama. Video: 4K at 24, 30 FPS, 1080p at 30, 60, 120, 240 and 960 FPS, 720p at 1920 FPS, gyroscope EIS. Selfie camera: single 16MP, wide. Features: HDR, panorama. Video: 1080p at 30 60 FPS, gyroscope EIS. Sound: loudspeaker yes, with stereo speakers.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.